Okay, part 2. So clearing some old sabotages and entrapments, curses, past lives, genetics, karma. That's my intention. Okay, so once again, I'll go partly the etheric body. So imagine the head, the feet lying on the back. So you can imagine yourself down here. Okay, and I'll sort of alternate between the etheric body and my body. Okay, run that central meridian. Anti-clockwise over the heart. Emotional stress release points. Okay. Okay, so asking the body to release any and all past life curses, any and all past life sabotages. Okay, run the central meridian. I release any and all past life curses. I release any and all psychic attacks. Okay, solar plexus chakra. I release any and all karmic energy holding me back. I release any and all genetic energy holding me back. I release any and all entrapments holding me back. I move forward with ease and grace and a higher vibration. Psychic attacks. I move forward from any and all psychic attacks. I move forward from any and all psychic attacks. I move forward from any and all psychic attacks. Rage, anger, frustration. I release any and all rage, anger, frustration around psychic attacks. I release any and all rage, anger, frustration from psychic attacks. I release any and all rage, anger, frustration from psychic attacks. Heart chakra. I release any and all rage, anger, frustration from psychic attacks. I move forward with higher vibration, with ease and grace and love. Okay, karma again. Karmic ties, genetic ties, karmic ties from this life, past lives. Okay. I release any and all karmic ties from this life to the past. I dissolve any and all karmic ties from this life and my past lives. I release any and all karmic ties from this life and any and all past lives. I thank karma for any and all lessons I have learned through any and all of my previous lives. Thank you, karma, for bringing me to where I am today. Okay. Base chakra, tuning forks. I release anyone from any contracts, agreements and curses, and I move forward with love and higher vibration. I release anyone from any contracts, agreements and curses, and move forward with higher vibration and love. I release anyone from any contracts, agreements and curses, and move forward with higher vibration and love. Okay, so there's a lack of motivation due to internal negativity. So when we hold on to the past and we know that some of our past lives or curses or sabotages have not made us the best human beings we can possibly be, we look at the negative. We need to own it as a lesson. We need to own it as something that was good for us in the moment. It allowed our ego to learn. It allowed our soul to learn. It allowed our inner child to learn something. There is always a good and a positive in every bit of life's lesson. So I am safe. I move forward with ease, grace, and love. I move forward with a higher vibration. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. I release anyone from any and all past contracts, agreements, and curses. I move forward with ease and grace. I move forward with a beautiful high vibration of love. Okay, run that central meridian. Life is good, life is good, life is good. I deserve the best. Life is good, life is good, life is good. I deserve the best. Thank you, beautiful people. It was just something I had ticking through my brain today that I thought I'd share. Okay, have a great night. Love you all. Enjoy your weekend.